We tell most of our patients to meal prep, meaning cook at home, stop eating out, get ahead of your week. But there's a few patients that that advice doesn't work for, and it can quietly make them feel worse. And it's not the food. Well, it could be, but it's usually the refrigerator. So this is who this video is for. It's the person who did everything right. You stopped eating out. You batch cooked everything on Sunday like you're supposed to, used clean ingredients, and then with nothing processed, and by Wednesday or Thursday, you notice the flushing after dinner, the headache, your stuffy nose, the heart that's racing a little bit more than usual for no reason. And then you feel a little bit crazy because it's your food made in your kitchen. How can the healthy thing be the problem? It's not the food. It's not an allergy either. Every allergy test will, well, not maybe not everyone, but the allergy tests usually come back negative. It's the histamine. Also, it's not the histamine in your body, it's the histamine in the food itself. So the mechanism is this, and this is the part where you, if this is you, you might need to change what you do. The second a cooked meal goes into your fridge, the bacteria naturally in it keep slowly producing histamine day after day while it's sitting there in your refrigerator. So your leftovers aren't just sitting in there doing nothing, they're quietly building up histamine the longer they're in your fridge. So the Sunday chicken that you loved fresh is going to be a different food by Wednesday or Thursday. Now, before you swear off meal prep and then just go back to eating out, there's an important part here. Most people handle leftovers completely fine because you make a cleanup enzyme called DAO. It's an enzyme in your gut whose whole job is to break down food histamine before it reaches your bloodstream. And if you think of it like a bucket, if your DAO is keeping up, you can eat 5-day old leftovers and never have a problem with it. This only bothers the people whose bucket is already full from gut inflammation, certain medications, or even genetics. Look, the answer is not to stop prepping and go back to eating out. Could be the worst thing you could do. Meal prep is still the right move. The solution is after you cook it, how fast can you get it in to get it really cold and how fast you eat it once it's warm again. So the key is this: histamine builds when cooked food sits warm or sits for days in the fridge. So the enemy is the time spent waiting. Freezing takes that time off the table. It doesn't erase the histamine that's already there, but it does basically stop more from building up. So batch cook exactly like you already do or like you're supposed to. Then get the portions you won't eat in the next day straight into the freezer while they're fresh, not after they've sat in the fridge for 3 days. And when you pull out a meal to eat it, thaw it and eat it quickly. Don't thaw it on Monday and let it ride in the refrigerator till Thursday because that just restarts the clock on the histamine buildup. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful. If this video is for you, you'll find it interesting. And if you practice it, you'll see that it makes a difference with your health. Take care today.